welcome to the semi-quick object show. I'm the host, Semicircle. Here are the contestants. The first challenge is to grow a tree. The last two to do so lose. Go! That should be easy. Oh, I want to flourish into a beautiful tree. Why don't you just water the ground? Because they're only cashew trees and I'm allergic. I mean, it can't be that bad. Bleh. Oh, easy. Woo! How are you guys doing so well? That's because we went to a shop and bought seeds. Oh, thanks! You know it just blatantly lied? Yes, I know, that was the point. Well, this is simple. Mate, should we sabotage spring? Yeah, that's a very good idea. This is a piece of cake! That's easy for you to say. This is really hard. Whoa, chill down. How am I supposed to be chill? Wow, I really hate this cast. Did Semicircle really think it was a good idea to pick these people of all people you're gonna pick? Yes! Wow, I miss my old friends who barely got the chance to compete in a show. You're in big danger. What's Waffle been doing? Hey, gay, let's check it out. Whoa, what? Oh! The power of bone meal, you can be in touch with nature. Let me check this out. Well, I guess I'm up for a mission. No! Ouch! Yes! Well, that's it. Seed and Spring are up for elimination. But you only get one vote. And one vote for only one person. It's only two people when you're voting for, you're already more. So you... So, but you may be asking, how do I vote? Where's the close? Where's the square brackets? Where the other stuff I do not know about? Well, you know what I do in the show. See, each character has their comments. So you have to reply to that comment to vote to eliminate the person. So, yeah. Also, you can reply with anything, but you can only reply once because we can only vote once. And also, no magic, please wait or also read your comment, and you will not be able to vote. See you in episode 2. You know, I have a feeling that they're doing a show without telling us. That's a very dumb thought. Please think of something better. Hey, that's mean. And I don't like mean people. Yeah, the way better things to be than mean. Wait, you mean I'm mean because I hang up like a parrot? But you should really be thinking of thoughts. What? That's really weird of a thought. Please, actually, I think that. Oh, okay. Would I get to pretend?